All right, so we're here on Margaritaville at Sea Paradise. We're going to go ahead and give you a room tour. It's a little late, but never deterred. Let's go. This way. As you can see, here are the elevators. And right off the elevator bay is room 4033. You can even read it in Braille. 4033. All right, so come on in. Come on. Ooh, somebody's phone's not working and I'm trying to get room service. Tough business. Okay, so camera person, you want to turn it around. Here. Basically, this is your instructions. If the stuff goes down, follow these instructions. Look at them, remember them, follow them, be safe. Right here, you get the room attendant's card. Our room attendant's been Eka. He has a beautiful story. It made Charvon cry almost. It's beautiful. He's been awesome. So shout out to Eka. Here is the thermostat, and we're dealing at Celsius here. Okay, you know us Americans, we don't deal much with Celsius. So just know this, you turn it left, it gets cool. You turn it right, it gets warm. It has been very cold in this room, so we've had trouble regulating it. So if you're hot nature, keep it cool. If you're cold nature, warm it up. Did I say that right? Did I say that right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, she knows. Hangers, well, these are the cleaner hangers. These are thick and you cannot move them at all, so don't try. So you get extra pillows. So you get 4 drawers. Kind of shelf it here if you want to set stuff on. Okay, go ahead and close that and you can come over here. Come on over here. Again, get over there. So this is just stuff, you know, if you have your own hangers and stuff, it's just more room where you can, you know, look at that. How much room you have in here? I'm 6 feet tall. You have 6 feet worth of room in there, but that's neither here nor there. You want to, would you like to look at the bathroom? Okay, no, actually, one second. So here are the light switches for the room. And this is a particularly important one, the main right here. Because if you cut this bad boy off, that shuts everything down. And we mean everything, including the toilet flushing. You need to see me. As you go into the bathroom, cut the light on. Okay, so you have your mirror, sink, you know, whatever. Here's a shower. Again, 6 feet. It's a little soft in here. Hey. Okay. Shower works, toilet works, tissue, everything. Oh, what a wonderful sound. Washcloths, you do have to ask for washcloths. So your room attendants should be able to help you. You find them on boarding day. You're like, hey, look, Eka and I, we need some washcloths. He was like, okay, bet. And he brought us 4 washcloths. And he's brought us washcloths ever since. Okay, so here we go. Open this up. Here's your safe. And it gives you the directions to lock your safe there, right there. So just follow the instructions. You have your life jackets, again, storage, blow dryer, and the New Testament. Amen. You have your water here and 2 glasses. The water is not free. How much is it? It is $4.95. And if this is worth it to you, if you don't want to have a dry throat, you don't have any water, you might have to just sacrifice the $5, but that's how much it costs. Okay, further in. You got a vanity here where the women can sit down and do their makeup. You have some Kleenexes for special situations, in case women need to wipe their makeup. You know, anybody needs to blow their nose or get their makeup off. You have Kleenexes.
Do men not blow their nose?
Yeah, men blow their noses. So we did have a sweet message from Anna Banana. We're just welcoming us to paradise, and we did feel welcome. Right, this right here is a bed. Do not touch this, unless what?
Unless Cap Store touches it.
Bada bing, bada boom. Here is up here, that's kind of where the vents. So it's that's what the vents are. You got your house phone here, and you got some side storage here. Also, these are the European outlets. So unless you have a European converter, you're not gonna be able to use those. Are these USB. So they do have, how come I'm just now seeing this?
Stay on focus, squirrel.
So they do have if you have a Type-C or just a regular USB, you are able to charge from there, but you're not gonna be able to use the main port unless you have a European converter. You do have a plug down there that you're able to use. Why they put it right down there, I don't know. Okay, mention the house phone. You have this is probably like I'll probably give it like a 37 to 42 inch TV. It has over 40 channels. 40 channels. So if you don't want to leave the cabin and you just want to watch Taken 6, you are able to sit here and just watch movies and shows all day long. Or they have like 10 news channels. If you're into that kind of thing, you can do that. Okay, you can come over here. It's fine. It's fine. USB right here. This is just a regular outlet. It just kind of does that kind of thing. Okay. So we do have a ocean view. So you are able to do this. If you, man, we're getting down the road.
What ship is that? MSC? Royal? That's a Royal ship.
Squirrel. So if you want to see the ocean, you can. If not, you just go ahead and pull that thing down. You know, if you're getting dressed or something, you don't want nobody in the next ship seeing, go ahead and pull that thing down. This is 2 separate beds. What size? Cruise ship king, but they are combined. They do split. Charvon last night got caught in the middle.
I think that's like I think those are more like twin size beds.
Yeah. Either way, Charvon got caught in the middle. It was kind of funny. Pillows, and you do have switches on the bed that I don't know what this middle one covers, but these two, this one handles this side of the bed, that one handles that side of the bed. And I guess I can test out the bed real fast. I'll let that be the grace. I'll finish and sing. Yeah, you ain't gotta show all that. How would you describe the bed, Charvon?
Mildly firm.
Yeah.
It's a solid bed.
The theme of our cruise is solid. So this has been a review this has been a tour of cabin 4033, our ocean view cabin on Margaritaville at Sea Paradise. Would you like to know who booked this lovely cruise for me?
Hi, my name is Charvon, and I'm the owner of Always On The Go Travel. And if you are looking to book your next cruise or your next vacation anywhere, Disney, Universal, all-inclusives on the beach, reach out to me, Charvon at wonderkeep.com.
All right, so get that back.
I have something to add if that's okay.
Always like Coca-Cola.
Okay, number 1, you saw the proximity of our cabin from the elevator bay to where we are now. I don't know if you hear the cheers, but it is kind of noisy, so just be mindful of that. 2, we are right above a disembarkation door. So in the mornings when you're getting ready to port around 6 a.m., you will hear a lot of rumblings and ramblings of going on underneath your feet. Be mindful of that. This is a convenient cabin to the elevators, but you're also going to deal with some things that you're probably not going to want to deal with. That is all.
Just dropping knowledge. Even this is her Jordan flu game. She ain't 100% people, but she's still giving you knowledge. And that's what we love about her. We appreciate you. So in the meantime,
and in between time,
Parker's out.
Ready for a travel experience that's truly elevated? Reach out to Charvon at wonderkeep.com or just scan the QR code and let's start planning your next unforgettable journey, because your journey deserves to be elevated.
hey you, come hang with us on Instagram or Facebook. The link is in the description below, and we're Parkers on the go everywhere. Come on, let's go.